A caravan of supporters paying tribute to the workers and residents of Orchard Villa in Pickering as families demand a full investigation into the home. The long-term care facility now reporting at least 49 deaths due to COVID. That's more than 50% of all the deaths at Durham Region's health facilities, including hospitals and retirement homes.
It's very unsettling when we ask questions and we're still not getting the responses. I don't have that level of trust that things are being put in place.
3 members of the Mosley family who joined us remotely from Pickering, Toronto, and the U.S. wanted to voice their concerns about being kept in the dark when it comes to what's happening inside of the home. They've been told their 85-year-old mother and grandmother, Joyce, has tested negative for COVID-19. But any questions about how she's being kept separated from the positive patients have gone unanswered.
Having visited my grandmother in that facility and knowing that it's a very open unit in which, because patients have dementia, they're wandering into each other's rooms, they're using each other's things, there's not very much separation available. And so my biggest concern for my grandmother is if she's negative or not, I want to make sure that there are procedures in place to keep these patients isolated from one another.
We reached out to Orchard Villa and its owner, Southbridge Care Homes, for answers. Lakeridge Health responded, saying residents with similar symptoms will be housed together. But there were no specifics given about whether negative patients are being kept separate from those who have tested positive.
These folks, when it hits them, you have hours to react. We do not have months. So, I want to see some action, that there's more support for the administrations, more oversight.
These people that are 90 years old have no voice, zero voice. Okay? They're dying, and in most cases, dying alone. And we don't have a system in place to make sure that the care and the support is there for them. That's not right.
At least 198 residents have tested positive for COVID-19, with 43 of those cases considered resolved. There are 87 cases among staff members, 41 have recovered. Tammie Sutherland, City News.